Next time.
Hi, I'm Luke, the newest member of the Stand Up for a Pup Club. You may know me from some of the videos because I'm Rebecca and Alyssa's brother. Here is
Sorry,
Rebecca right now.
That's all. I'm
So-
playing with the yo-yo.
My posting days are Sunday, so I'll see you then. Prediction today: whether Team Fluff or Team Rough will win in the Puppy Bowl. Charlie here is going to pick which one he wants, and he's going to get a treat for doing this new trick I taught him. So, Charlie, who's going to win? Fluff or Rough? Oh, also green's Fluff, blue's Rough. You think Fluff or Rough? Rough. Okay, so according to Charlie, Rough will win. So you know that the regular Super Bowl, there is Patriots and Rams. So here, I'm giving Charlie a treat for doing that trick. So now blue is Patriots, green is Rams. Charlie, which one's gonna win? Rams? Yeah, he thinks Rams. So that's Charlie's new trick that I just taught him. Charlie, go get the treat. So, according to Charlie, Team Rough and the Rams are gonna win. So, of course, I posted this in the morning so people didn't comment on it about me me faking, because if I would have done it in the afternoon, the Puppy Bowl would have already happened. So, oh, and here's Stella. Let's see if she agrees. Stella, come here. Come here, Stella. Come here. Stella. Rough or Fluff? Rough or Fluff? Charlie. Stella's turn. Rough or Fluff? Rough or Fluff? Yeah, Stella doesn't know the trick. Sorry. Well, come next Sunday to see my second post.